Hey there, I'm getting ready this weekend to set out for a 10-day trip on the Appalachian Trail. And before I stuff all of my gear into my backpack, I thought I would take just a minute and show you what I've planned to bring with me. So in my backpack here, I've got my tent and sleeping bag. Those are the essentials. And then lots of other related gear that I need here. I've got a gas burner and a hot pot and stove, electronics, water filtration kit, first aid, and other kinds of personal products. And then over here, the food. And I've decided to pack initially for 4 to 5 days. This may be more than I actually need, but I'll only find out once I get out there. So I've got some packs of tuna, some instant pasta meals that I can just pour hot water in, turkey sausage sticks, tortillas, and then several packages of beef jerky, plus for the morning's instant oatmeal. Clothing, I'm just going to be bringing minimal stuff since this is the end of May and beginning of June. It should be pretty warm down in Georgia and North Carolina and Tennessee. So I do have some rain pants that I will bring just in case we get rain. And then just a couple of long and short sleeve shirts and a couple pairs of socks and typical running shorts. So I'll be able to see pretty soon how well it fits in my pack, whether I need to lighten my load a little bit, and I'm looking forward to getting out on the trail.